disagreeing here, folks. Previously on Like It or Not.
This is hot. Don't you know how to make something cold? I know, it's not a pot that freezes. It's a pot that cooks. It looks like a baby threw up. Well, it may have been the other end. I can't quite tell. Woo! Holy crap, that is hot. I don't mean hot. I mean it is spicy. What did you put in it?
I got him! I pranked my husband.
No, because I kind of like it. What's in it? It's actually spicy.
I pranked him good. He was not expecting spicy. I gave him spicy.
I was not expecting this to be a spicy soup. Oh, you just put in red pepper?
Half a teaspoon.
I mean, this is almost curry flavor. I mean, actually, it's almost a sweet potato-y taste, a little bit. Like, I don't taste leeks. All I taste is heat. A lot of heat.
I got him good.
Oh man, they're both empty almost.
I just put a half a teaspoon, y'all, and he likes hot foods. Because I started just put a quarter teaspoon, and I heard him in my back of my head, if a little's good, then more is better.
Well, I'm not complaining. I mean, it's an interesting flavor, actually. But I think...
Interesting flavors code for I'm not going to eat it again. He's not disagreeing here, folks.
Half a teaspoon, huh? You sure?
Wait. Yeah, a half a teaspoon.
It's amazing.
See, I pulled a quarter.
On pizza, it is not that potent. It's like the liquid brought out the spice a little bit. Yeah, I'm craving pizza.
Bright and good.
It's definitely a little bit more heat than I imagined it would be. It's edible. Wait,
Next time I won't put the red pepper on.
I think I know how to fix it.
He wants crackers, y'all.
Put crackers in my soups. You got some problem with that?
Look at that one's got more. Because he didn't put it in there. If he had put it in there, he probably would have put in that much, at least.
Yeah, probably would have. And it would have been overpowering for me too.
Because if he had been standing here and I'd said, I'm going to put in a quarter teaspoon, he would have said, well, if that's, why don't you just not put anything in it at all if you couldn't just put in a quarter teaspoon? But he's eating it.
I mean, it's an interesting flavor. Something I've never had. It's slightly sweet, lightly leaky.
Slightly sweet, lightly leaky,
Mm-hmm.
and super spicy. Somewhat spicy.
The crackers calm it down, but it's still actually very hot. There's a lot of heat in this. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad flavor. Like, somewhere someone may actually enjoy this combination.
Here's the deal. I want to know if you're going to try this recipe, because I'm pretty sure that someone's going to love it.
Yeah, it has a flavor combination that is
Those
not
are his two favorite words.
completely off the rails.
I came up with it. Okay, I probably didn't really come up with it, but we had an extra leek in the fridge, and we had sweet potatoes that needed to be eaten, and I thought, why not? And then I thought, what went other and throw it together. I might become someone that's adept in the kitchen yet.
You crack me up some days.
Alright, I'll talk to you later. See you next Monday. Bye. To see another kitchen video, come back on Monday. We'll be doing almond butter. Stick around for the bloopers. And you're talking spicy hot, not
Spicy hot.
hot. Not, oh, it's a hot.
The crackers got rid of hot.
No, hot being, oh, crackers got rid of the hot, not the heat hot.
With half a teaspoon.
Well, I didn't even, I don't know if you saw, I tried to have the ingredients before you got over here so you wouldn't know. I smell cherry.
No, you don't. Because this is regular Dr. Pepper. There's no cherries in this.
Yeah, but this is, and it smells like, oh, I'm going to start a war in in North Carolina. It smells like cheer wine.
Better edit that out.